Ever wonder how a chatbot actually talks? Let's dive into the simple secret behind it.
You've seen these everywhere, right? Chatbots, always ready to help answer your questions.
But how do they get what you're typing? How do they actually talk back?
It all kicks off with the program's ability to just ask for information.
In Python, a function called input literally pauses everything and just waits for you to type.
Check this out. The code is using input to just hang out and wait for a response.
Okay, so the program gets your answer, but what happens to it? How does it remember?
Well, the best way to think about it is like a special container for that info. In programming, we call that container a variable. It's what holds on to what you said.
See here, the city you type in gets stored inside that student city variable.
And now that the info is stored, the program can use it to build a reply.
It uses the print function to mix its own text with the data from your variable.
All right, let's watch how these simple pieces build a whole back-and-forth conversation. So first, the program asks for a name, and then it stores it in that student_name variable. Then bam, it immediately uses that variable to give you a personalized hello back.
And it can keep doing this, asking more questions and storing each brand new piece of info.
Finally, it can even pull up your name from the very beginning to say goodbye.
What we've just walked through is pretty much the fundamental blueprint for any interactive program. It's simple. 1, get input. 2, store it. 3, show some output.
And that simple pattern, that's the core logic behind every single chatbot you've ever used.
So now that you know the blueprint, what's the first conversation you're going to build?